As a product we can't do without in our work and life, the MacBook is mainly about being efficient and easy to use. So today I'll introduce you to a few highly efficient setup methods that I believe will definitely help you more.
Use the computer well. I wonder if anyone else is like me, unconsciously creating a lot of folders during daily use. Although each folder has a different name, the identical icons make them hard to distinguish. So to make it easier for us to use, you can change the color of important or frequently used folder icons, which makes them much more noticeable. The method is very simple. After selecting the folder, right-click to choose Get Info or press the shortcut Command I. Once open, click the icon and press Command C to copy it, then open the preview function. Press the shortcut Command N to open the high-definition icon. Then we click on the brush icon above. Select Adjust Color from this row of tools, and you can modify the icon's color according to your needs. Then drag the icon out freely and drag it here to complete the replacement. Although changing the color makes it more noticeable, it's not the best solution. We can find many beautiful transparent materials online, and you don't even need to save them locally. Just drag them over to replace the folder icon. It's really beautiful, and interested friends should definitely try it. When there are more and more files on our desktop, you can right-click to choose Stack, and it will organize and summarize the files, making the desktop much cleaner. Here, we can also choose the stacking grouping method, such as categorizing by type or date according to your needs. If you have many frequently used folders on your desktop and need to minimize applications each time to open a folder and select content, honestly, it's quite troublesome. Actually, you just need to place the folder on the dock, and regardless of the shape, you can quickly open and view the contents of the folder. But if you have many folders to use, placing them all there is not very practical. Here's another good method. Just enable hot corners in the settings and then move the mouse to the upper right corner to quickly access the desktop. This feature is really convenient. You should definitely try it.
These are some very convenient little settings for daily use of Mac. I hope today's video can be helpful to you. Of course, thank you for your likes, favorites, and especially your follows. I'm Sequoia. See you next time. Bye bye.
Sayonara.